Okay.
Oh my God, I really heard it.
He's never been adjusted before.
Jesus.
And she's got scoliosis, a curve. You can see her right shoulder's higher.
So
I mean, her left shoulder, sorry. You see it. She's like a little. Her hands. You look down at her hands. See
My knees.
See her right hand. Looks like it's lower right there than the left one. It's not that. She's just up here. She's boop, twisted. Okay. All right. We need to straighten her out. You ready?
Yeah.
But again, that's what happens when you have a scoliosis. Pressure, tension, and stress, even more so, and she's got it throughout here. And you see like this scapula is up a little higher. Right there. And then it goes all the way through. And then the sacrum. This is the keystone of your spine. Hip bones lock in. Tailbone is at the bottom here. The more you sit there, the more compressed tight, the more it rises up. Also, when you bend over at the waist without bending your knees. And that's what you probably do a lot at the job. You probably bent over at the waist a lot. That's not good. See, tension all the way through. She's got too much tension. Turn to this side, face me. You're going to lie on your left side. Bring your left arm all the way through. Turn to me. Right here and here. I got you. Put your head all the way back. Nice and relaxed right there. Get this one here. Get that one there. I got you. Good rotation all the way through. Ooh. I didn't even do anything yet.
I know, my back just.
But that's how much tension. This is your issue. This is the problem. All the tension. Wow. Other side.
Ooh. Jesus.
But she's got a lot of tension.
You're not hurting. All right, good. Oh, you're
Slide
popping
towards you.
this one.
Right here and here. Straighten that leg out right there, right there. See how much tension she has in her spine? Wow.
It's like a fine wine.
Yep.
That crack.
Oh
Absolutely.
my God. Yay.
Let's stand up. Good. All right, let's go.
Oh my God.
Scared of what? Of this? What are you?
No, I'm actually not scared. I love this part.
It's like a roll. I tell people it's like a roller coaster. You go on the roller coaster, you're nervous, you're scared, but it's like great when you go up and down the hills, right? The drops, drop your head. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Ooh. Jesus.
Put your arms down, relax.
Oh my God, am I taller?
You will be, because I wish I could say adjustments make you taller. I can't do that, but they put you back to where you're supposed to be because there's no pressure.
Oh my God, that felt good up there.
Awesome. All right, hang those arms over the side, all the way. Let them drop. Here, we got to get that base of that skull very tight. A lot of pressure right there. Drop this arm right here. See, yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my God, I really heard it.
Oh, that cracking sound. There really is no cracking. It's a pressure change in your joint, just like when you open a wine bottle. Your bones don't actually crack.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good. Drop that head back right here.
Here I'm thinking like, oh my God, my neck's not gonna crack because I crack it.
No, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna crack. I'm gonna get the pops.
You're gonna, period.
Absolutely. Period.
Period.
Period. Up right there. See, look at that already. It was boom, boom, boom.
I can't believe I'm why is it making me laugh? Is that normal?
It happens quite often. And you're starting to sweat a little bit. Why? Because her nervous system is compressed in her brain. Now it's opening.
Jesus.
Stress hormones, basically, in a basic sense, stress hormones are dropping. Feel-good hormones are rising. That's why a lot of people start laughing, giggling, whatever. Because they just feel good. And there's more. Drop that.
Oh, God. Jesus. Oh, my God. Okay.
Good. And your breathing's even better.
Yes.
Awesome. You're going to come lie on your back, face up. Give me those hands. Let's stretch. Let's keep breathing. Open up. Got it. Here.
Oh, no. Oh, my God. My mom's never going to believe this.
Why is she never going to believe
She's
it?
going to think I'm, like,
Crazy?
scared.
You scared? Too late now. Decompress right down the midline. Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's awesome. Oh. How do you feel right now?
Like,
The change from
lots of words. I feel like I can breathe better.
Absolutely. Your shoulders aren't so, they're a little less, a little more open. That's good. You probably see a difference from the beginning of the video.
Oh my God, I can't breathe.
You breathe better because your shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs, diaphragm all get compressed and tight. You adjust, you release all the tension, you're upright, you can breathe all the way down into your lungs. And that's what your brain and nervous system wants. It wants better oxygen.
Oh my God.
Pressure, tension, and stress is relieved when you get adjusted. Nothing more, nothing less. Takes it off your body, your brain, and your nervous system. Never be afraid to get adjusted. If somebody tells you any different, they're lying to you.
They're lying to you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Boom.